light vinaigrette recipes to add to your cookbook. The key to making a light vinaigrette is the correct ratio of the base ingredients, which is 1 part oil, 2 parts water, and 3 parts of an acid such as vinegar and/or citrus juice. First up is lemon garlic dressing. Here's all our ingredients. For this recipe, the red wine vinegar and the lemon juice will count as 3 parts acid. Next is 1 part avocado oil, and then 2 parts water. Asian vinaigrette. This recipe's 3-part acid is red wine vinegar and freshly squeezed orange juice. Click this CHP logo to subscribe to our channel and watch more fun and healthy recipes from the Nutrition Club.